Okay. At syempre pa, hindi kompletong Pinoy Henyo special natin kung wala ang ating stewardess.
Yes.
From EB Babes Airways.
EB Babes Airways.
Zaida. Stewardess Zaida.
Alamin natin
meron
kung
tayo?
anong ating
Today?
menu for today.
Well, sir, I have
What do we
your
have?
choice of 3 different street food here.
Oh, different street food.
Street food, Okay.
Oh, okay.
I got here kwek-kwek, kikiam, and...
Wait. One by one.
Stewardess kwek-kwek.
What's this? What's this?
It's kikiam.
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 Okay. And, this one.
This one. Yeah, what's that?
Squid ball, sir.
Squid balls. Okay. And this one?
And that is kwek-kwek.
It's kwek-kwek.
You have balls and you have kwek-kwek.
Yeah.
Wow, complete.
Is this
Accessories, okay.
delicious?
It's definitely delicious.
Wow.
Are they clean?
Yes, they clean. I always watch the food I prepare.
You always wash the
Okay.
kwek-kwek.
Did you watch
huh?
them?
Yes.
Okay,
Hey, you
good.
watch,
good.
okay.
Okay.
What happened?
Parte ng katawan ng tao.
Body.
Nadali na eh.
Part of the arm. Oh,
What's that in English?
I don't know.
that's a fruit. That's a fruit.
No. That's
That's a fruit.
no. That's Chico. That's Chico.
Ah, shit. What?
So we didn't make
Elbow.
Wow.
What
She
did you say?
knows.
Elbow.
It's
Elbow is the son of Kiko Magalona.
Yeah.
elbow.
That's Elmo. Oh, I thought
Okay.
it's Elmo.
We didn't make
The two of you, mawalang galang na, magsilayas na kayo.